Jamerica World. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Urben Currse. We are back with another one. As y'all can see on the screen, we got a lady standing here. It looked like she got a blicky and a sticky in her hand. She is going crazy on her boyfriend, or I'm assuming it's her boyfriend, because she woke him up and she's claiming that he hit her dog with a water bottle. And when y'all see this dog, you're like, what is going on here? She seems off, extremely off.
I was just a fucking sleep, bro.
Okay, babe, just chill.
Don't come in my house with that shit.
Just chill.
Don't fucking come in my house hitting my motherfucking dog with a water bottle, bro. Don't do that shit.
I didn't even hit him.
Yes, the fuck you did. Come here, Papa. Come the fuck here.
I'm not gonna touch your dog.
Papa, if you don't come here right now, come here. Come here.
Trust me, bro.
Come here. Come right now.
I'm hungry.
Okay, you can whoop him.
Hey, don't whoop the
You want to
dog.
go inside him?
Did y'all hear what she just said? She said, okay, you're going to get a whooping. She got mad at the dude for throwing a water bottle at the dog. But she's going to whoop the dog's ass. Make that make sense.
Hey, I'm not gonna hurt the dog.
Come here.
Man, I'm not gonna hurt the dog.
Get the fuck away from my motherfucking dog. Don't touch my dog, nigga. You just hit him in the fucking face. You don't fuck with him. You just said you would punch my dog in the face. Don't fuck with me.
You just said, you just hit him. And then she said, no, you said you would punch him in the face. So which one was it? Which one is it? Bitch is crazy.
Come here. Come here. You been wanting to do that. You been wanting to touch him. Come here,
Hey, I
baby.
don't want to touch nothing in this house.
He been wanting to.
Hey, don't stab me, bro.
I'm not doing that motherfucking jello, your dumb ass. If you in my motherfucking house, nigga, it's self-defense, nigga. Fuck out my shit.
It's self-defense because he's in the house. Hey, bro, stay far away from her, man. I don't give a if you don't live with her, then you have no reason to go back there, sir. No, just stay away from her.
Stab me.
Come here. Come here. I was just a fucking sleep, bro.
Okay, babe, just chill.
Don't come in my
Let's go to the next
thought you want to
video.
talk to me, but you want to hit my son. Don't fucking hit my son. Come here. Why do you keep those sick beside that man, bro? Why do you
I'm
keep
that
those
man
sick
now.
beside him, bro?
I'm that man.
Why do you keep doing that? Go back in that room, Sam.
Hey,
He's the main one that fucking hit you.
I didn't hit. Babe,
Go back in that room and sit down. He's the main one that just hit you.
Away from me with that.
He's the main one. Shit ain't fucking worth that shit, nigga. That shit ain't worth that shit, nigga. That shit ain't worth that shit, nigga. That nigga got me fucked up. Why the fuck is you here? Fucking disrespecting
Exactly.
me for,
Why are
nigga.
you there, sir?
What's wrong with this shit?
Please go.
This motherfucker gonna come here and hit you for no reason. This is your house. Can't nobody come in here and hit you.
She's talking
And I'm
to
gonna
the
show
dog.
you can't come in here and hit my motherfucking dog.
She's
I'm gonna show you
talking
can't come in here and hit my motherfucking dog.
to the
I ain't gonna touch
dog. She's talking to the dog.
About you want to talk to me, but you want to hit my son.
Look at the dog.
You've already hurt me. You came in my house. You hurt my dog. You got on me, put me in a room. Vulnerability. I feel like you just think that you're bigger than me, so, you know, so since I'm so
You
small,
okay, puppy?
I need to have my weapons. Back up, please, because I'm not trustable right now.
You weren't trustable before that.
Okay. Back up, please.
Bro, leave. Bro, leave.
I'm sorry. Come here. I'll take the stab.
I have two knives. Can you move?
Yeah, I love you.
Are you not scared of this?
Yeah, I'm scared to fucking death.
Back
Stop, boo. Damn.
What?
Hey. I love you. Too much, boo. I really do. I'm sorry. I'm gonna lose my mind every time, boo. I can't help it, bro. I've been loving you for a long time, boo, and I'm sorry. I will never harm your family. You know I will. And I'm so sorry, boo.
Yo, what the
I
fuck am I
promise.
watching?
You heard me, boo. I'm never.
This gotta be a skit.
This
This gotta be a skit, y'all. This gotta be a skit. Shorty always got some BS going on. So okay, so this is not a skit. She from the comments, these people that follow her. I just seen this come across my timeline. First it's grandma. Now it's another random. This must be some type of seasonal. So she's a crash out. She's a seasonal she's an insane bitch. I thought she had hitters and niggas, and I have to lift a finger with. First and foremost, she has a knife. Look at the posture of the dog. If the dog was that scared of that man, that dog would not be standing in front of that man the way he is. I promise you that. That dog will be cowering, especially a pit bull at that. Especially how big that man is. That man is standing in front of that dog. That dog is standing in front of that man, actually protecting the man because she's loud and irate. And they take that and they feel the aggression and they smell the aggression from the bitch.
Hurt me. It's gonna be seen. Lifestyle.
I will never.
That's what's gonna be seen.
I'm never gonna hurt you, boo. Never.
Please get out of my way.
Babe.
You already did. You already hurt me.
Baby,
I never hurt you. You already hurt me. How? Gaslighting and manipulation all in one sentence.
You've already hurt me. You came in my house. You hurt my dog. You got on me.
Look at how he's touching the dog.
Vulnerability.
If that dog was afraid of him, I promise you, if that dog was in any danger, that pit bull right there that I'm looking at, because I own pit bulls, would have tore his ass up. Would have been growling or whatever the case may be to protect her. Facts.
I feel like you just think that you're bigger than me, so, so since I'm so small, I need to have my weapons. Back up, please.
So because you're small, you decide to pull a weapon on someone that did nothing physically to you, didn't threaten you with anything, nowhere close to it. You decided to prop your phone up multiple times to record this about him. You claimed he hit the dog, but then you claimed he threatened to hit the dog. Which one is it? You claiming that because you're small, you need to have some sort of self-defense against someone that did nothing to you physically. He's a simp bitch. He's a fucking clown. And anything she do to him, at this point, he deserves it. Because it's not even like he's on some man time. He's on some boo-boo baby, boo-boo gaga, boo-boo zuzu boo. He's an idiot.
Because I'm not trustable right now.
I've
You weren't trustable before.
Okay. Back up.
Look at this idiot.
I love you.
Look at this idiot.
I do. I'm sorry.
Look at this idiot.
Yeah. I'll take the step.
I have 2 knives. Can you move?
Yeah, I love you. Mm.
Are you not scared of this?
Yeah, I'm scared to fucking death. Stop.
Her defense mechanism is fear. Is to try to put fear into a man. Not understanding. Like she said, if that man really wanted to do something to her, I don't believe them knobs could stop anything. She could have got him with 1 or 2, whatever the case may be, but 2 or 3 punches, she probably wouldn't even be here anymore. Real stuff. We've seen this with one of the videos I just did not too long ago. It takes nothing for a man to do do damage to a woman. So for you to be pulling 2 knives on that man, even the dog is staying in defensive mode. He is not defending you, ma'am. He's not. He's not. That dog don't like you. Look at that. That dog is defending him.
Too much. I really do. I'm sorry. I'm gonna lose my mind every time. I can't.
You lost your mind by even being with her. They clearly say in oh, I can't even get it out. She's good. She got good acting skills. So is this something she must always do this? She really don't gang. Shit lame is lame as hell. She definitely getting better with her engagement. Shit, I don't know if people can really see and throw the act, but yeah, she definitely getting better. He's sweet. No, he's not sweet. He's a fucking idiot. He's a clown. Talking about he's sweet. You don't be sweet to somebody like that. He might be sweet, but he gonna get himself hurt over somebody that don't deserve none of this. So I hope this is a skit, bro. I hope this is a skit, but it don't seem like it's a skit. The way her aggression hiding is, don't seem like a skit. And I watched a few of her videos just right before this, and she seemed like a whole nigga to me. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit the tick and the blicker, man. I think it's on this side this time. It's on that side. I don't know why you hit the like, comment, subscribe already. I don't know why you ain't doing none of this stuff already, because it's been going across the screen the whole time. You should have been already. Make sure that you already go in and subscribe to all of the other stuff, and make sure that you already follow me on everything, all of my platforms, all of my everything. Yeah, because if not, you gonna do.